Hi all, welcome back. Let's discuss about what is the component in React.js and what are the different type of components we have it, and then we will discuss about the functional components. Okay. So first of all, is component is nothing but a block of your React application, and it represents a part of user interfaces, and it will allow you to split the UI into multiple pieces, independent and reusable pieces, so that it can be easy for us to manage, to code it, and to debug and to maintain the code very clean. So first of all, component is nothing but it's a part of your user interface, and components are nothing but reusable UI elements. That means once you coded the component, created the component, then you can reuse it anywhere, any number of times in your application code. And it's the encapsulated logic. That means each component is independent and it have their own behavior. And component in React is composable. That means a component can be nested inside another component to build the complex interfaces. So basically, component is nothing but part of your UI. React is basically component based architecture. It will allow you to modify the code uh, independently, and rendering the page will make easier because uh, it will use the virtual DOM and virtual document object model. And whenever you make any changes in particular component, then that particular component only will be reloaded, not the entire all the components or all the applications. So basically, React.js application is component based architecture. So in React.js, we have two types of components. One is functional component and class components. Okay. So in this video, we will discuss about what is the functional component. So functional component basically, you can say like JavaScript functions, and those functions can receive the properties occasionally, optionally, and it will return the JSX. JSX is nothing but extensions to the JavaScript files, and it's a syntax that looks like HTML. We will see that how JSX will look like. Let's see the basic functional component example. So we use the keyword function to define the functional component, and then we can give the name of it. So basically, I given the name to the component as wishes. So here I'm trying to create a function with the name wishes. This is the functional component we are creating it. Inside this method, right? Sorry, inside this function, I am returning the a h1 element uh, with text message like good day techies. So basically, this function will, wherever we call it, right, this function will return the good day techies content text with h1 format, okay. So basically, we can create in this way functional components. And once you created functional component, right, so you need to export it. Otherwise, in your application, we do not use, not allowed to use it. Functional component should be exported once it's created, so that it will be allowed to use in our application anywhere by just importing it. So just we are connecting our component with our React application, we use the export.